முதல்ல சித்தாங்கிற படம் என் வாழ்க்கையில் ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு படம். This is a film that I have not just acted in, I have also produced it under my home banner Etaki Entertainment. The film is directed by S.U. Arun Kumar, who made Pannayarum Padmaniyum and Sethupathi. So what you can expect is a very personal film. It's a very important film. இந்த படம் நான் எதுக்கு எடுத்தேன், இந்த படம் பார்த்த உடனே உங்களுக்கு புரியும். And I'm so excited. நாளைக்கு காலையில் this film releases worldwide. So this is our official premiere of Chithha. So you are my premiere audience. So thank you so much. And you guys can give yourself another round of applause because ரொம்ப வருஷமா தமிழ்ல ஒரு specific purpose oriented charity premiere பண்ணப்பட்டதே கிடையாது. So this is a unique event that you are all being part of. Chithangra Parathoda, we are associating with the Eye Research Center. Eye Research Center is an NGO that is very close to my heart. Eye Research Center, to give you what the cause that we are working towards. Agarwal Eye Hospitals, firstly, two people spoke here before you, and I don't know if you know them unless you're associated with either Eye Care or with Agarwal Hospitals. There is a warrior, her name is Dr. Athiya Agarwal, so a big round of applause for her. There are very few philanthropists in this field who have done what this lady has achieved, and the vision that they bring forward from their previous generation and the grandfather to the grandson, which is Ashwin Agarwal, and what they have done, the amount of good work they do, and mukyama neenga therinjikka vendiya vishayam, the amount of good work they do for free, which is so rare in today's world. So I'm a huge admirer of the Agarwal Eye Hospital, and I'm a big fan of the Eye Research Center because it is working towards changing the lives of 13 lakh people who suffer from corneal blindness, and to be able to do more than 40,000 procedures. So money that's being raised from this premiere and other such initiatives will go towards doing that. So think about changing the lives of 13 lakh people when you come and attend a premiere like this. I would like more producers of my industry to tie up with specific NGOs like this and do purpose oriented premieres, so that நாங்க நல்லது பண்றோம் மட்டும் சொல்லாம என்ன நல்லது எப்போ எப்படி பண்ண போறோம்னு அவங்க தெளிவா சொன்னாங்க. So I'm so happy to be part of this initiative with my production company and with this beautiful film Chithha. We're very proud to present a check for 10 lakh rupees going towards helping solve the really ubiquitous problem of corneal blindness, and Agarwal Eye Research Center and Agarwal Hospitals. Thank you so much for what you've helped us do, and I hope this money will change the lives of so many people who will be able to see again. Thank you so much.
My name is Dr. Ashwin Agarwal. I have with me Dr. Athiya Agarwal from the Eye Research Center. We are here today to promote an eye research campaign which promotes basically affordable eye care for underprivileged and underserved population of India, especially Chennai and Tamil Nadu. Through the movie Chithha, through the premiere of Chithha, a charity premiere that is very seldomly done. First time it is being done for a focused cause like eye donation and eye surgeries, and we have been able to reach out to different people from different status to raise funds for eye surgeries and eye donations. Chithha, the movie, is a social hard-hitting drama about a young child and its Chithappa. So it is a very emotional movie and has a very sensitive message at the end of it about the use of social media. Using that medium, we are trying to attract a lot of funds or donations for eye surgeries for our Eye Research Foundation, which was started in 1978 and is a non-profit organization only for eyes.
Eye Research Center is part of Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital. Started by my father-in-law, Dr. J. Agarwal, way back in 1976. And here, what do? We go to the camps in full of Tamil Nadu. We are also covering Andhra. We bring patients, we screen patients there, we bring them to the base hospital, we house them when we operate them. This movie Chithha, first time we are screening this movie, which is actually a social drama and very emotional. For the first time, we raise funds to treat corneal blindness. What is corneal blindness? Cornea is nothing but the front window of the eye. Because of the blindness, because of which the patients are not able to see the light. And this is a little advanced surgery, and it cannot be done without support of everybody who have to come forward and donate the eyes. This I spoke in the eye donation week. Unless you donate the corneas, we cannot treat corneal blindness. Kitta 1.3 million people are blind due to cornea alone, out of the 18 million blind people in India. To treat these patients, we need lot of corneas. Not only corneas, we need lot of money to buy the other material. So this charity is going to help us raise funds, and we are planning to treat 40,000 people who are underprivileged, who cannot afford. Yarkitteyum affordability ille. They cannot afford to pay us to do this surgery. So we are this is the first time we are doing a charity only for the good cause of treating corneal blindness, which is actually a treatable blindness. In some it is not treatable. So those people who can be treated with corneal blindness will be treated with this fund which we are going to raise today. Thank you very much.
In the padam பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் I want lots of conversations and discussions to happen. And in the படம் வந்து நீங்க உங்க குடும்பத்தோட இன்னைக்கு there are lots of children in this audience. நீங்க வெளிய போய் as a woman, as a man, ஒரு குழந்தையா இந்த படம் உங்ககிட்ட என்ன சொல்லிச்சு, நீங்க என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னு வெளியில எல்லார்கிட்டயும் பேசுங்க. Because Chithha deals with how we live as families and how we take care of our children. It's a thriller with an emotional core. So definitely you need to go home and உங்க பசங்களோட இந்த படத்தை பத்தி இன்னும் பேசுங்க. மற்றவங்களையும் இந்த படம் பார்க்கணுமா இல்லையான்னு நீங்களே யோசிச்சு முடிவெடுத்து please use your word of mouth powerfully. Good cinema needs good audiences, and I'm very proud to present you a very beautiful film. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and bless my Chithha team, directed by Arun Kumar and starring two very very special children, Sahasra and Afia. இந்த படத்துக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த ரெண்டு பொண்ணுங்களோட performance lifetime நீங்க மறக்க மாட்டீங்க. With that, இன்னைக்கு மேல I can't hold you. So thank you so much for being here, and I specifically want to thank Aditi Rao Hydari for being here for the premiere of Chithha, for this good cause. And I want to wish Ashwin Agarwal, Athiya Agarwal and the entire team of Eye Research Center, Chennai. And the last note I'll tell you is Chithha ங்கிற படம் நாளைக்கு தமிழ்ல ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது. It releases as Chithha in Malayalam and Chikku in Kannada, and I've dubbed my own voice in Kannada for the first time. The reason I'm doing this quick language flex is because Eye Research Center is currently only in Tamil Nadu. I hope that very soon we can take this center to other states across the south. And so not only our films should be pan-south and pan-India, our NGOs and our philanthropists should be allowed to go pan-south and pan-India. So bless all of us. Enjoy my film. I love you all. Thank you so much. I specifically told you, think about eye donation as something that you think every day. It's not, I know it's a difficult topic, but it's a very important topic. So think about eyes and eye donation and saving lives, because one pair of eyes can change more people's lives than you imagine. And the song goes something like this. Kangal yedo theda kalavada nenjam taane paada parandoda adi ovvoru raapoludum ஓன அப்படி நான் ரசிச்சேன், உயிர் கொல்லுது ஓ நினப்பு கண்மணியே. ஓ ஒரு 1000 வானவில ஓ பூவிழி காட்டுதடி, அத சட்டென நீ மறைச்சா நான் என்ன செய்வேன் புள்ள. கண்கள் ஏதோ தேட கலவாட நெஞ்சம் தானே பாட பரந்தோட. Enjoy the film. Thank you.
So these are the kind donors who have contributed for the Eye Research Center. Thank you, donors. Your support is very big. It will help the kids